Hey, Mom? Yeah. I don't feel great. I don't think I should go to school today.
Oh, and what's your sickness?
My stomach hurts.
Oh.
No. Hey, Mom?
What?
Oh, I got like a wicked headache. I don't think I can go to school today.
Yeah, we'll see about that. Let me feel your forehead.
Ow, what the? Are you okay?
Really?
Yeah, I should have gone fake vomit.
I'm coming, honey. Oh, my baby's sick. Are you sick? No, I'm calling the school. You're gonna stay here today. Do you want me to make you breakfast? Yeah? Okay. We can rent movies today. Or we can go pick up McDonald's and then go pick up your sisters from school and just not get them anything. Yeah. Mm-hmm.